This is hard. First of all, a human being is Dhano. Dhano is a human being, okay? So the body of a human being can be referred to as Dhano, that is the body of a human being, Dhano. Anyway, without having to over-explain that, let's start with the head. We can draw the Dhano here, right? Let's just draw the Dhano. Instead of drawing a skeleton, let's draw something that looks like Dhano. So, the whole of this is called which is the head. When I write this thing, when I'm done with writing, I'll delete it. So I will erase it. So you need to write them down. I'll give you a saying that is in Dholuo. There's a time we'll talk about sayings, but just to give you one here. There are times people say Wichie Dhano. Wichie Dhano. What does that mean? Because I've given you the meaning of all those words. What does it mean? Wichie Dhano.
Head of a human being.
Does a mean of? You remember when we said nyingienga, and then you said nyinga, and so means is. Okay? So which Dhano would mean?
Head is human being.
Yeah, head is human being. It is a saying. It's not supposed to make literal sense like directly. It simply means that it is the head that makes you a human being. Which Dhano. But it does not necessarily mean the physical head. But it also refers to the brain. Like you can say if you have a good head, it means you think well, you reason properly. If you don't reason properly, then you're not even a human being, because you're supposed to think like a human being. It is a saying which simply means that for a normal human being, they must reason or think reasonably. So anyone who is falling short of that, then would say, Wichie Dhano. But it's normally said when you doubt whether that person is really thinking well. So, which is the head? The eyes one is one eye. In plural, both of them wenge. Wang achiel, wenge ariyo, wenge adek. The nose is The mouth dog. Then the teeth. If it is one tooth, okay, let me say tooth and teeth. One tooth is lak and teeth is leke. Shoulder. Shoulder is moot. Moot.
Is that the neck or shoulder?
Oh, did I say shoulder? Neck, sorry, neck. Neck. The shoulder is gog. Gog. Then there is the whole arm. Is it arm or hand or arm? Is bat. There is a bit of mixture here where again people also refer to this as Luedo. I don't also know the difference between bat and Luedo. I think bat is the whole thing. Luedo could be from the elbow, but I'm not so sure about that. It's used interchangeably. The armpits is youth. The chest, core. The stomach, each. I'll also give you another statement here with each. You may hear somebody say, Omako each. Mako is to hold. So it does not necessarily mean holding the stomach. It is a saying that means she is pregnant. She is pregnant. Omako each. The waistline. Nungo. Some people also say kanungo eteko. The thigh, bam. From the knee downward, this part is also called ogwalo. But again, from the thigh up to the lower part, the whole leg, we call it tielo. Is it tielo? Or is the foot?
Entiende.
This one could be, tielo could be, it could be the foot. I'm not so sure about this one too. Because then the part that also steps on the ground, let's just use it to mean this. We can confirm later. Because this lower part of the foot is normally called opunitielo, but it could also mean the foot anyway. We have so many other things here. We can The fingers, Litluedo. The ear, Ith. I think those are enough for now. The rest you can learn later, but I want to tell you how to say when it is mine. So we'll go to the possessive adjective. Okay?